This is a working model of SST on the topic save energy. You see, these are huts, and this is a hut. This is a road. These are cars. This is a building, and these are poles with bulb connected in each. These bulbs are all connected in parallel. These are circuit. This is a light detector. You see, when you put hands on light detector, the bulb glows. But on removing hands, bulb doesn't glow. You see here. This tells us that we should own our lights only at night. Now see this our model. This is light detector. See again. Thank you very much for seeing our model. Please like our video and subscribe and comment. Please subscribe.